I'm just sharing with you a quick video. I got something in the mail that you guys will be very happy to see, or at least I am very happy to see. Packaged very nicely all the way from England, faraway England, and I'm going to keep those 3 stamps. Those are quite neat. All the way from England came the much needed, very hard to get. Are you ready for it? Can you tell me what these are? They are Tempco 1K Resistors. Yay! I got 2 of them. They're not that expensive. They came all the way from England. 3000 ppm 1K resistors. I am very happy about this. This is a very important component. Without this, this wouldn't work. And right there is where it'll go, right next to the 2 transistors with some thermal paste. That's the hardest part to get for this board. After that, I just need to install the two power regulators, voltage regulators, and the 1 resistor I've got to put in over there. And then once that's done, this board is actually finished. And then I got to get more pots for that, and it's finished. Done. This is getting close, folks. And in fact, I have 2 of those resistors. So in theory, if nothing goes wrong, I could build a second one. The second one of these components, one of these boards, VCOs. That's exciting. Very exciting to me. Anyways, thought I would share this with you. Thank you for tuning in. Once I get this board put together and I start testing it, I'll post another video. But until then, I may hold off, and instead of giving incremental videos, I may just wait and give you one big video when it's finished. Depends on what you want, folks. Let me know what you think. If you want small steps or one big step, when the thing's done, let me know. Thank you for tuning in. Take care.